ahead.
My name is Jake. I'm going to show you how to make a small tornado. Get an empty water ball, fill 3/4 with water, drop a marble and a few drops of hand soap. You can also add pieces of paper. Put lid on shake soap to make suds. Turn upside down and give several shakes. Here's my tornado.